Now, with a lot of the movements, we have single arm or single leg exercises because we don't want to just move both of them at the same time because you might prioritize one side over the other. So this is the standing single arm band row. So we have the band attached to the posts. We looped it through one end and we are simply holding it with one arm. So the legs, knees are slightly bent, glutes pulling back a little to help stabilize our body. Standing nice and tall, core is engaged, eyes are forward, head is tall. And we're trying to pull the elbows back to engage the back muscles, not simply pull with your hands, which might engage your arms only a little more. So as beginners, you might first just make sure you're moving slowly and in a controlled tempo to get used to the movements. And as you get more advanced, we want to start thinking about what muscles are being used. Are we actually consciously activating the muscles and feel the muscles turning on or being used, for lack of a better term, for the proper exercises to make sure that we're doing the correct movement. That is a standing single arm band row.